Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am putting together my vanity, which is behind me here. So you've got the mirror, the lights and the desk. So this all came about while I was walking in Ikea, looking around at things that I can buy, and I saw this bundle as a deal and I thought, you know what, I have to get it. Ikea is not hard to put together, as in their stuff are not hard to put together. So I thought, you know what, let me get it and this can be my little space. So if you want to see how I put this together, then keep on watching. So first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the box, as you do. And one thing I didn't realize about this is that it comes with a glass top. Got a bit excited there. I didn't know it come with a glass top, but yeah, I'm happy about that. This is the tools. As you can see, this is the tools. I've got the correct things to open it, but yeah, got there in the end. The only thing that I'll be doing throughout this video is just following the instructions. Ikea is pretty basic, so once you follow the instructions, it's not that hard. So you can see here that I'm screwing the screws in, and this is for the top part of the desk, and these are the legs of the desk. So you have to push it in until it goes all the way down. And now we're on the legs. So now, as you can see, I'm just securing the legs to make sure they are secure, basically. So I've put the drawer together, and these are the screws that I'm going to hammer in just to secure it and keep it together. Right, so what I'll be doing is put it in the position where I would want the table to be, and then just slide in the drawer. It's pretty simple, you just put a screw in the bottom. So these are the lights. As you can see, I'm putting the light bulbs in. There's two sides to this. They're not actually attached. You can attach them to the wall, but I kind of leant them up against the mirror so that I think it would look better that way. I didn't want to drill holes in my wall and hang it up and whatnot. Get a flake plant, as you do. And yeah, so this is my vanity. I also got this pot from Ikea where I'll probably put like my makeup brushes or something. And there, let there be light. That is it. So that is me building my vanity. It wasn't that hard to put together. As I said, Ikea is pretty basic, so it wasn't hard, and it didn't take me long either. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put together this vanity, and here it is, which I'm so happy about. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.